Totalkare's petrol and diesel emissions analyzer has been designed and built in Britain to meet the latest DVSA requirements. With accreditation to the latest Euro 6 standards, you can trust that it meets the highest standards of quality and accuracy. Our MOT-approved emissions analyzer comes with a Wi-Fi enabled PC, which allows remote operation of up to 100 meters of the unit and includes a CD-ROM, 19-inch color monitor, keyboard, mouse and printer. Our emissions tester measures the efficiency of combustion in your engine and helps you achieve the environmental standards. Our petrol and diesel emissions analyzer is ideal for checking that vehicles are compliant for low emission zones. It can operate down to -15 degrees centigrade in all weathers, ensuring that you can keep your vehicle running smoothly no matter what the conditions. Call or visit our website for a bespoke quote today.